Hey, how are you doing? Having a family member in a wheelchair poses some challenges, such as going to bed, up or down steps. Despite the fact that there are fewer and fewer architectural barriers, we can still encounter them. We will see how to face these challenges. We've seen how to go from bed to chair, wheelchair or not. Today we will see how to invert the whole thing. We remove the armrest on the side of the bed, as well as the footrests, and lock it. We stand in front of the person as usual, with our backs straight and our knees bent. We protect his leg closer to the bed by putting ours in the middle, and our other knee is placed between his legs. We pass our arms under his armpits. We place one hand at shoulder level, and the other hand on the lower back. And we ask the person to put his or her arms around our shoulders. Then we pull to separate him/her from the back of the chair. Once his/her buttocks has been lifted slightly, we turn on the tip of our feet to guide him/her towards the bed, and let him/her sit gently. Once seated on the bed, we stand on the side of the headboard, one arm behind his/her shoulders, and the other below his/her knees. It can be a great help to put your knee on the bed. In this way, we will be able to make the turn without carrying all the weight on our back. Except for escalators, 2 people are required. We put the chair with its back to the stairs. The first caregiver will move a few steps up and push the handles down to put the 2-wheelchair. The second caregiver will stand in front of the chair, holding it in a firm place on the footrests. The chair shall be raised by sliding it up the steps. It is important that the movements are well coordinated to avoid shaking, and also to ensure that the effort is well distributed, and that none of the caregivers are injured. In the particular case of escalators, only one caregiver is required, and the chair will face them. But it should be noted that it takes a lot of strength and experience to hold the chair securely, and it can be very dangerous. In this case, the chair will face the ladder. The first caregiver will go down a few steps to grab the chair by a firm place on the footrests, from where he or she will help put the chair on 2 wheels. The second caregiver will push down the handles for the same purpose. The chair will slide step by step, never by hand. And of course, the physical effort must be shared out. And coordination must be well coordinated in order to avoid sudden movements that could lead to injuries in any of the 3 involved. Well, that's all for today. In the next video we will go into the care related to the personal hygiene of the dependent person. Thank you very much.